Have you ever wondered how those large, spiny king crab legs, with their succulent white meat, end up on your dining table? It's not just a dish, it's a magical story of human effort and finesse. You'll find that every bite of that delicious meat embodies the taste of the ocean and is the result of the persistence and skillful craftsmanship of fishermen and processors. Grab a cold beer and join us as we explore the journey from the deep sea to your dining table of the king crab, the ruler of crabs. The king crab, with its impressive size and unique spiny shell, is not only a symbol of the icy waters of Alaska but also an important source of income due to its high commercial value. In 2022, Alaskan fishermen hauled in 4.5 million pounds of king crab, amounting to a total value of $43 million. These colossal crabs are renowned not only for their size and distinctive appearance but also for their tender, flavorful meat, highly sought after in seafood markets and upscale restaurants. The process of catching and processing king crabs is a complex and meticulous series of tasks, from preparing the crab pots to serving the crabs on your table. The fishing boats in Alaska are specially equipped with unique crab pots, resembling large cages made from metal or mesh. These pots are baited with fish or other attractants to lure the king crabs inside. The design of the pots allows larger crabs to enter while preventing smaller or undersized crabs from getting trapped, thus protecting the marine resource. The fishing process begins when the boats drop the pots at locations known to have abundant king crab populations. The pots are left to soak on the ocean floor for a specific period, depending on environmental conditions, crab behavior, and fishing regulations. When the soaking period ends, the boats return to retrieve the pots. The pots are hauled back to the surface using specialized equipment, reducing the physical strain on the fishermen and ensuring safety during the harvest. Once the pots are brought up, the crew carefully opens them to remove the crabs and place them on sorting trays or tables on the deck. Here, the king crabs are sorted based on size, sex, and quality. Any undersized or non-compliant crabs are released back into the sea to protect the resource and comply with fishing regulations. The live crabs are then placed into seawater tanks on the boat, These tanks circulate the water to provide oxygen and maintain the appropriate temperature, ensuring the crabs remain in the best possible condition until they reach the processing facilities on shore. At the processing facility, king crabs are manually sorted based on size, weight, and quality. Skilled workers cut the crabs by placing them close to their chests and using their body weight to push the crabs into a fixed or specially designed knife. The crab legs are then cut using automated rotating blades controlled by sensors and cameras. Advanced technology and robotics ensure precise cutting, optimizing crab usage and minimizing waste. After being cut and sorted, the king crabs are cooked to preserve and enhance the meat's flavor and texture. This process typically involves boiling or steaming the crabs in large fats. Once cooked, the crabs are rapidly frozen to maintain their freshness and flavor. The frozen crabs are carefully packaged to preserve quality during transport and storage. The frozen legs are sold to restaurants and culinary establishments, while whole crabs are canned, providing convenience for consumers and extending shelf life. Exploring the journey from the deep sea to the dining table of the king crab is not just about understanding the catching and processing process, but also about appreciating the ocean's wonder and the skilled hands of the fishermen and processors. Each king crab leg you enjoy is part of a story full of passion and dedication. If you love stories like this and want to learn more about the processing of other foods, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll take you on fascinating journeys from the field to the table, bringing you valuable knowledge and wonderful culinary experiences. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next videos. This is our channel, and I'm excited to be part of the team that creates this content with our video editors and content creators.